EU hotel room cleaners to embark 1349 for huge ships, 67,000 ton Italian flag. All these wages are with Social Security. We are requiring 2,200 if you have no experience on board ships. Ship owner format, crew inspector link field, Italian basic, not required English, Italian basic manual, so you have to confirm you have read and understood, and then we need the Codice Fiscale. Why Baltic room cleaners? Two reasons, well, no, three reasons, sorry. Number one, Codice Fiscale in Lithuania, it takes 1 week to get. In Spain is 1 month. Number two, basic training, basic safety, including firefighting in Latvia, is a 3 days course, 400 euros. In Spain is 3 different courses, 1,400, and there is 3 different queues. It's a bloody disaster. These are incompetent government. Yes, I don't know why we pay them money. We should really have AI take over those buildings. But anyway, and therefore also we have a third reason. Yes, is tax. If you are going to get 2,200 euros net as a hotel room cleaner, the employer must pay to you 4,400, double. So tax is so high. Latvia, for example, that it's very hard to get 2,200 euros net. If you are on board these Candina Italian flagships, then after 12 months you will grow to from 2,200, if you have experience on board ships, 2,300, you will grow to 2,500 or 600 after 12 months, and then you have option to promote to being steward of 3 years experience on board as a steward. You will have then 2,900. You can develop a career. If you also wish to jump to the kitchen, same kind of career path, because this company has 55 RoPax passenger ships, huge mini cruise in the Mediterranean. Nice Italian, excellent professionals, smiling people, so you will live much longer instead of up north, everyone is not smiling. Therefore, also Italian food, imagine, marvelous. Thank you very much for applying, like and subscribe, pass throughout all these social media groups. Thank you, bye.